Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna unbox these RCB levers. These RCB levers are designed to fit the MT03. So let's go ahead and unbox this. As you can see my man, the quality of these levers are pretty good with the hint of matte finish to it. And see the other one, yep, premium quality RCB levers. So this is the new lever compared to the stock one. Let's go ahead and install it. First you need to unscrew the nut at the bottom. Once the nut is unscrewed, let's now take this bolt out so that we can take this lever off. Right my man, so you can see here it's very dirty, so let's clean it up and wipe off the dirt. It's also clean the lever sensor so that the dirt won't accumulate over time. And once it's clean, now it's time to fit the new lever. Make sure the bolt is properly tightened so you won't lose the bolt while riding or your levers. Now let's put the nut back in and tighten it up. Onto the other lever, so you need to loosen the screw on the clutch cable. Once the clutch adjuster is loosened, you need to align this gap right here. The purpose of that gap, my bros, is for the clutch cable to easily slip out. Now let's remove the bolt for this clutch lever and carefully remove the lever from the cable. Now the gap or the cable is already aligned through this gap. Now we can easily take this off. You can just twist off the lever at this part or remove the cable through that gap. Once you remove the clutch lever, don't forget this O-ring right here. So the purpose of this O-ring right here is to keep the grease in so that your levers are constantly lubricated. Let's set this aside and install this to the new clutch lever. Now let's install this part right here to our new lever, and don't forget to install the O-ring as well. Carefully place the lever back in and the O-ring so you won't lose it. So while tightening your bolt or the bolt, it's advisable not to tighten it hard enough because you might damage the O-ring. It's advisable to use a torque wrench while tightening the clutch lever bolt, since if you tighten it too tight, it will affect the play of the clutch lever. Time to wipe off the excess dirt from the levers. And don't forget to tighten the cable adjuster. So as you can see here, this is the old lever. So as you can see the design, the new lever is way more better and blends well with the motorcycle design. Good thing about this lever is it also has a play adjuster, so you can adjust the play to your specification, and once you're done adjusting, you're all set and good to go.